how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw Slender Man. It's going to be like just kind of his upper body. It's going to be real simple and easy, and I think everyone can do it, all right? Even beginners. So let's get started. First thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to start here with the curve of the top of the head. I'm going to find the side of the head here. I'm going to find the other side of the head on this side. It's going to pull into the cheekbone. I'm going to go right here, pull down, right here to the jaw area. Same thing over here, pull down into the jaw area. And it's going to pull down, flat, pull over here to the other jaw. So now you have that skull shape, that head shape. Pulling down. That light keeps acting weird, it's funny. Down over here for the other side of the neck. Down here, curve across, pull up. So the base of the neck here. Curve down, in. Down over here for the collar. Down over here for the other collar. And then it's going to pull up here. Up over here, in. Pulling a line in for the top of the tie. Line over here for the other top, area of the top of the tie. And I'm going to curve underneath here. Pull out over here for basically the kind of the rest of the tie. All right, about to start over here from this end of the collar, and I'm going to pull down here to go to the center. Go over here on this side, pull down here for the center. Alrighty. Down over here for the side of the collar. Down over here for the side of the collar. Alright. Curve down. In. Out. Continue to pull down here. And we're going to draw a line here down for the, kind of like when a suit closes right here. Dot, dot, dot. Curve. I'm going to do that same thing. Pulling in, almost like a V shape. I'm going to continue to pull down and just kind of let it float there. Going to go over here to this side and pull out for the shoulder. Out over here, down. Down over here, in. Zigzag. Pulling in. Down. Down right here for the arm on this far end. I'm going to do the same thing over here. Find the top of the shoulder. Pulling out just a bit for the corner of that shoulder. Over here. Down. Zigzag over here for kind of the wrinkling of the clothes. Kind of around the waist I'm gonna go right here and I'm gonna pull a line down for one side and down over here for the other. Over here in the armpit, I'm gonna pull a line up for a fold, and also like a shape right here for showing that fold right there. Let's excuse me. Alright, I didn't get that nice sleep. I didn't get great sleep. So I'm gonna pull over here, start over here. I'm gonna start with this tentacle he has. It's kind of a curved shape, almost like a simple S curve. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull back in, right? Like basically with the same shape, but getting thicker as it goes toward him. Gonna go over here, draw another one. Over here, same thing. Let's go over here on this side. Curve. In here. Like so. Gonna go over here on this end. Draw that last arm up there. Also an S curve. And there you go. That is Slenderman. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Let me know what you think. Don't forget to hit that like. The channel basically lives on likes. Likes is the fuel for the channel. So if you do, hit that like button, and also go to other videos that you like on my channel here and hit the like as well. The other thing you can do is subscribe. Click the subscribe button and click the bell notification. I post once a day. So it's a drawing lesson every single day that's going to be related to kind of spooky or like a bad gift from a movie. I'm going to post throughout the entire year, and that's pretty much it. Thank you so much. If you want to support the channel more, the best thing you can do is to share the video somewhere. Just share it anywhere, and that's a huge, huge, huge help. Thank you so much. I will see you next time. Hey, for those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, you know, for example, on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff about learning how to do this stuff, you know, long term. And I get that. That's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both, but like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons. So you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons. And normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month. Like 30 days, that's a lot. But just what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very, very first link, that gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy, and the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up, and you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent, and you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it.